Want to know how to succeed in life? Get up, get into nature, and get ready. All you have to do is take the first step. Get into nature and allow your mind, body, soul to connect with the universe and nature. Enjoy today's video. I thank you.
Hello everybody, it is your girl Andrea. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out and supporting me yesterday, Sunday, June 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for my world one hour premiere on TV, radio, internationally with thank you so much to the African Portal. In the description below, you'll see the link for the playback, and I am so grateful. Well, I am leveling up my game, my style, and my techniques. It is time. It is time. I've got so much coming down the pipe, and I'm going to share with you some behind the scenes of a typical day of what my life is, as well as some key nuggets and wisdom to help you go through life. It is not easy at all to do this, but passion, patience, persistency, and perseverance is what gets the job done. Don't believe me? Check out where I've been, look at my failures, look at my successes, and stay tuned to where I'm going. Thank you so much for joining the channel. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. I wish that you enjoyed this amazing content. I'm adding new flavor, new vibes, new techniques, and upgrading everything in my life, every aspect, every level, every dynamic, and I'm here and ready to walk beside you in your journey of life. 3 key tips I want to take away and send with you on this amazing message as the storm is approaching and the weather is shifting from summer sun to rainy days. It's okay. As you know, everything in earth needs water to replenish, to revive, to rejuvenate, and to hydrate. Key tips for you right now on how to get started. You want to upgrade your life? You want to challenge? You want to bring your A game? Then here are 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, be ready and patient for anything and everything to happen. Murphy's Law, what is that? If the worst can happen, the worst can happen. If the best can happen, the best can happen. It's all about your mindset and your perspective. Number 2, have fun. Have fun. Life is made to be enjoyed and lived, not struggling and surviving. So make sure when life throws you lemons, you make lemonade. It is summertime up here in the Northeast Mountains, and I am so excited. So when you are ready and you get frustrated, there's a hiccup, there's an obstacle, there's a barrier in life, make sure you bust on through it and know on the other side is success and happiness. Finally, the 3rd key point in getting started in rejuvenating and upgrading your life is to be creative. Sky's the limits. There's no limits to what you can do. There's no limits of your restrictions or limitations. You are in control of your life. It is time for you to take the pen in your own hand and make sure you live your best life. You are in control. Don't blame others. Don't blame history. Don't blame your mistakes. Take ownership, accountability, and responsibility. And if you need any guidance, connect with me. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and this link for further contact. As I mentioned, my website is a work in progress, so pardon the, construction of it, but I am excited. And on that note, I am bringing to you, as the skies have opened up and it is downpouring, never ever be stressed. Know that after a rain shower is a rainbow. I'll see you in the next video. Gotta get in before my equipment gets wet. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Someone's listening, someone's watching. And I will see you in the next video. Be well. Take care.
Then, only then, will you be ready to to present your aching.